we'll guide you through how to use Wix Academy to enhance your website building skills. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're logged in, head to the main menu at the top of the page and select the Learn tab, which will take you to Wix Academy. Here, you can explore a variety of courses and tutorials designed to help you master different aspects of website creation. You can filter courses by difficulty level, such as beginner, intermediate, or advanced, depending on your current skill set. Once you find a course that interests you, click on it to see a detailed overview, including the course content, duration, and any prerequisites. To enroll in a course, simply click the Start Course button. This will take you to the course page, where you can watch video tutorials, read articles, and complete quizzes to test your knowledge. As you progress, you'll earn badges and certificates that you can share on your profile. If you ever need to pause a course, you can easily bookmark your place and return to it later without losing your progress. Remember, the more courses you complete, the more proficient you'll become in using Wix's powerful tools to create stunning websites. Don't forget to utilize the community forums and support resources if you have any questions or need further assistance. They are a great way to connect with other Wix users and learn from their experiences. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.